What we can also start to do, as well as we mentioned already, is start to bring in some of this artificial intelligence capability. And what we have within the platform is something known as AI Builder. So this is a turnkey solution that comes pre-ready equipped with a range of different models that we can either just start using straight away. So, for example, do things like language translation, or scan invoices, as an example, and also additional models that we can train as well. So, for example, if we're wanting to maybe we've got a lot of paper documents that we need to extract key information points from, we can use the form processing model to effectively train a OCR capability that will then go through all of our documents, extract out the key attributes that we want, and then save these in the location that we want. And the good thing about this is that this model can be trained very easily. In some cases, all you need are 5 or 10 different examples. So we don't need to go through and spend a whole lot of time building this up. I've worked with OCR solutions in the past that typically would require a lot of trial and error and a lot of sort of technical complexity behind the scenes to get working. This really makes it a whole lot easier. And as I say, AI generally, from a Microsoft standpoint, is going to be a continued area of investment and focus. So if we're not already looking at this as an organization, we will find ourselves falling behind.